wanted to talk about our Empire 10 position accuracy testing on our levels. And before we get into the actual 10 position testing, I wanted to talk about the reason why we do it. And basically what it comes down to is the adequacies or inadequacies of the components of the level. Basically you have a vial and you have a level frame, and if either one of those is compromised as to how the quality is on either one of those, you're not going to wind up with good quality 10 position testing. So in other words, when you take a look at the Empire B70 series levels, you can see that the top and the bottom are precision milled. And what that does is it provides a precision parallel plane between the top and the bottom, so that when you set your level down on one edge, it repeats the accuracy of the vial on the other side. So in other words, if the two surfaces were not parallel and one was off on an angle this way, it may be level this way, but once you turn it upside down, all of a sudden now your vial is not accurate anymore. So it's important that these two surfaces, the top and the bottom surfaces, are perfectly parallel. It's a good good thing to look for when you go to buy a level, is to see if that top and the bottom surfaces are machined. You see out in the market box levels out there that are not machined at all. So this is just a painted surface on the top and the bottom. So what can happen here is just the nature of the aluminum itself could have an unparalleled condition, and then when you add the surface finish, the paint on top of it, it can create a condition where the top and the bottom are not parallel. The other component is the vial. So a good quality vial will give you the same reading in 360 degrees all the way around. So competitors' vials that are out there, even though they can set these into their level frame, regardless of what the quality is on the vial, they can set this down into the frame, set the vial so that the bubble is centered, glue it into place, and then tell you that it's a good level. Well, it's kind of a half-truth, because it would be a good level in this position, but if you were to flip this around, and if this vial was not a good vial, you're going to wind up with a bad condition with it inverted. So from there, we're going to go out and we're going to talk about the 10 different positions out on the actual test beam.